this American accent at 2 in the morning. I thought this is somebody having a joke, so I put the phone down and said, "Don't call again." 5 minutes later, he phoned and said, "No, I'm real. I'm a friend of your brother's. I've seen your drawings. Have you got 30 drawings that we could put up in the gallery?" I sent him 10 drawings, and within a day of him receiving them, he said, "I'd like your bank details because I've sold all 10. We'll have to postpone your show and we'll have a bigger show." So I went to New York aged 21 and had a show on Madison Avenue. And by having that show, I could see the work objectively and see it through other people's eyes. The funny thing was, the gallery sold absolutely everything, and I had a waiting list for 2 years' work. I wanted to be a figurative, realist painter who could talk to an audience that hadn't read all the books and the theory of art. I think I have to be ambitious at the beginning of every painting.
Yes.
And I'm interested in complexity of geometry. And the larger a painting is, the more challenging it is just physically, apart from mentally. And I like a painting that is more important than me physically. Technology is there as a tool to help us to express ourselves. It doesn't control us. We, the artist, still makes the decision.
True, it's not the pencil, it's how you write your name.
There's no such thing as a loss when it comes to making art. You learn from every single piece. Let it go for the price that will allow you to make the next piece. In fact, I've been more involved in group exhibitions perhaps in the last 5 years than previous years, where there was that emphasis on the one-person show or a museum show, something like that, which is obviously a great boost to the ego. But I don't know how much you learn from that. But when you stand or you see your work in the context of other people, it does humble you and make you realize that you're not the only person in the world, and that your idea of what is important isn't the only view. I'm just one of many people, and that one painting that I've thought is the be-all and end-all of my life is actually not. It is just another pebble on the beach.
Yes.
Keep questioning the whole time. Never be complacent that you think you've done the best you could do, because you can always do better.
Sure.
Never make something because you think other people will like it. Make things because you like it.